In this episode, we're talking about Media Kits, the best platform for blogging and helpful content. Hi guys, I'm Brittany from Not Another Blonde, and you're watching Blog with Brit, where I answer all your blogging and business related questions. If you're new to my channel and this sounds like something you're into, definitely subscribe. I put out new videos all the time. I'm going to shamelessly plug myself real quick and say the best place to buy a media kit is through me. I work with a very talented graphic designer. We will work together to make you a killer media kit. But if you're looking for something else, I recommend Etsy. There are so many boutique shops on there that are very talented, and you can even buy a pre-made template and you just plug in all your stats and info on there. Or you can try Google, just Google media kit template and a whole bunch of options will come up for you. So Bryn would like some advice on ensuring that her content is helpful. Bryn, I have to say that in order to ensure your content is helpful, you have to first know what your readers and your audience wants. If you don't know what their needs are, where their pain points are, then it would be really hard to try to help them. So I would survey them. Insta Stories is a great way to do that. Now that they have the polls feature, you can literally pop a question up there, see what results you get. You can engage with your audience and your community on a daily basis. Find out what they like, find out what they don't like, find out where they're struggling, what their challenges are, and yeah, just engage, add value, and really get to know your audience. That's the best way that you can ensure helpful content. Ashleen wants to know what the best blogging platform is for fashion and lifestyle blog. It really depends on what your needs are and what your long-term goals are. So if you want to have a fully customizable site, I recommend going with WordPress.org. That's what I use. That's what the majority of bloggers use. WordPress.org is different from WordPress.com in that WordPress.org is a self-hosted CMS site, which is a content management system. So you could find a URL that would be ashleen.com or something like that. WordPress.com is not self-hosted, so you don't actually own anything. Your URL would be something like ashleen.wordpress.com. I don't care if you're a fashion blogger, a lifestyle blogger, a health blogger, a fitness blogger, they all use wordpress.org just because you have so much control and so much freedom over how you can customize things and what you can do to it. You can turn your wordpress.org site into a shop. You can keep it as a blog. You can customize it however you want, move things around. I mean, you totally own everything. And yes, it's a little more complex than like Squarespace or Blogger or Wix, but in my opinion, I think it's worth it. And honestly, the more you play around with WordPress and the more you familiarize yourself with little things that you may have not known about before, you're gonna get better at it, just like anything. So I recommend playing around on it, spending a few hours a day or even just a few hours in one day and just getting to know the platform, and you'll be good to go.